Good morning, guys. Aka na yung phone. Hindi mo na ma-enjoy yung province life. Aka na. Ayan na. Ito kami ngayon ni Lucas sa Bayambang, Pangasinan. Ayan yung cow. Where's the cow? Where's the cow? Saan yung cow? Yun yung cow. Mo. Ano yung sound ng cow? Ayan. Ayun pa tanong may cow, oh. Tan may cow doon, oh. Chicken. May goat. Tapos makikita natin, guys, yung sunrise. Ayan. Tapos si Lucas nag-ini-enjoy yung province life. Ayan, ang lamig ng hangin. Ayan, ito po yung bahay nila Tita Fe. Ayan po.